In problem number 22, now we are passing on to 22. Today it is 27. Varun and Bharat are partners sharing profits on the assumption that the fluctuating capital method is followed. So, who are the two old partners? Varun to Varun's to Bharat's. To Varun's to Bharat's. What should be written? Capital account or the current account? What is followed there? The fluctuating capital method is followed. Fluctuating capital method. Since it is fluctuating capital method, we should write Varun's capital account to Bharat's capital account. We should write. If the amount is brought in by the new partner Damu, we can write bank account or cash account. But here both has happened. What? His share 15,000 valued at 15,000, of which 10,000 in cash, and therefore the remaining 5,000 was not brought in. So you can write cash account or bank account, and for the balance, the new partner's capital account. The new partner is Damu's capital account. Data. Both we should write. In the previous problems, what we wrote? We wrote either cash account or bank account, and Damu's capital account, that is the new partner's capital account we wrote. But here, cash account data, Damu's capital account data, both we should write, because out of those 15,000, amount, cash was brought 10,000 rupees, and the balance amount 5,000 was not brought in. Therefore, it should be written in the new partner's capital account. But the previous problems, that is in 20 and 21, 20 we wrote only cash account or bank account data. In 21 we wrote only the new partner's capital account data. But in this problem, out of 15,000, 10,000 was brought in as a cash, and 5,000 was not brought in. Therefore, it should be written in the name of the new partner's capital account. It should be divided among the partners. That is, the 15,000 should be divided among the partners in what ratio? 15,000 in what ratio? We should divide that 15,000. It is very important. It is in the ratio 5:4 or 1:1:1. And under what ratio we should divide? If there is only one ratio, I said in the previous problem itself, we can use. If there is only 5:4, 5:4 மட்டும் இருந்ததுன்னா, that we can use 5/9, 4/9 for division. If it is 1:1:1, we can take 1:1. We can use that 1/2, we can divide off. But here both the ratios are given, and therefore we should find the sacrificing ratio. What is the sacrificing ratio? How to find new profit ratio? profit ratio of Varun Yes, as I said, if there is only one ratio given, we can use the ratio to divide the 15,000 and write it there. But in this problem, old ratio and new ratio both are given, therefore we must find the sacrificing ratio using which we can divide this amount to 15,000. Okay, right. New profit ratio 5:4 and new profit share 5/9, 4/9. This is old. New profit share, new profit ratio is 1:1:1. But what about new profit share? This is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Because 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. What about the sacrificing ratio?
என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க சார் அங்க?
Yes, both the ratios are given. In that case, old profit ratio, old profit share, new profit ratio, new profit share. Therefore, sacrificing ratio is old minus new. What is old? 5/9 minus 1/3. Here 4/9 minus 1/3. This is equal to 9 and 3. 9 is the LCM, so you can keep 5/9 as it is. Here to convert this denominator into 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 ones are 3. Here also 4/9 you keep as it is, minus 3 3s are 9, 3 ones are 3. So it is 5 minus 3, 2/9, 4 minus 3, 1, 1/9. So the ratio is 2:1. And therefore, the amount of 15,000 must be divided in the ratio 2:1. That is 15,000 into 2/3 into 1/3. 5 3s are 15. So 2 into 5,000, 10,000. And 1 time 5,000, 5,000. So what amount should be returned? For Varun's capital 10,000 and Bharat's capital 5,000. We should write 10,000 and 5,000 here. So, how we arrived at? Once again I repeat. In previous problem, if the value of goodwill allotted for the new partner is brought in by the new partner kondu vandaana, we write only the cash account or bank account. If it is not actually brought in, eduthu vara mudiyala, in that case we should write the new partner's capital account. Here Samu's capital account we can write. But in this problem, the value of goodwill allotted for the new partner is 15,000. Out of that 15,000, and the 15,000 la கொஞ்சம் எடுத்துட்டு வந்துட்டோம், கொஞ்சம் எடுத்துட்டு வரல. So that is 10,000 was brought in, therefore here cash account debtor 10,000. We can write here cash account either or bank account. We can write any one of those two. And therefore out of 15,000, 10,000 is brought in. What does it mean? The remaining 5,000 is not brought in, therefore that new partner's capital account is right. It is the combination of both 20 and 21. It is very important. So we can write it here, cash account, both cash account and the new partner's capital account. We have written 10,000 and 5,000. And how it should be divided? If there is only one ratio, if it is 5:4 alone is given, we can divide that 15,000 in the ratio 5:4, that is 5 by 9 into 4 by 9. If the ratio only 1:1:1 is given, we can write 1 by 3, 15,000 into 1 by 3 and 15,000 into 1 by 3 again we can divide and write. But here what happens? Both old ratio and new ratio are given. So old ratio 5:4, 5 by 9, 4 by 9. New ratio 1:1:1. Therefore new profit share is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Then what about sacrificing ratio? Old minus new. Old minus new for Varun. Old minus new for Bharat. So it is given there. 5 by 9 minus 1 by 3. You multiply both the denominator and the numerator by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Here it is 4 by 9. 4 by 9, old one, new one is 1 by 3. 4 by 9 minus 1 by 3. Here the denominator to convert this into equal LCM 9. Therefore 4 by 9 is kept as it is, and for 1 by 3 you can multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 5 minus 3, 2, 4 minus 3, 1. Therefore 2 by 9, 1 by 9. It is 2:1. Therefore this amount totally 15,000 must be divided among the old partners Varun and Bharat in the ratio 2:1. That is 2 plus 1, 3. 2 by 3, 1 by 3. 2 times it is 10,000, 1 time 5,000. What I have written, and usually we are writing this old partners divide among themselves the new partners share of